What are they looking at? Seriously? Are they even watching the film? Are they looking at any of the footage? I don't understand it. There's footage right there. There's no cops anywhere. Where are the police? Oh my God, look at that fire. The whole city is on fire. Where are the damn police? This city is burning to the ground. What's going on?
You need to stop posting all this pro-Trump stuff, okay? You give these people ammunition and they're gonna run with it and you're just gonna keep getting frustrated, so stop.
We can't just let them get away with it. They are burning cities to the ground. It's people's lives. It's not fair.
I know. It's just, you say stuff, they're not gonna listen to you, so just don't say anything.
But someone has to say something.
But it shouldn't be you. Okay? It's not gonna change anything.
I understand. Thank you, I appreciate it.
Okay.
I understand.
Okay.
Can't shut it off.